Considering canceling your standard chartered credit card? While some actions might require a call, you can often initiate the process or find detailed instructions online. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to cancel your standard chartered credit card, focusing on online methods where available. While directly canceling a credit card fully online isn't always standard due to security, you can typically start by logging into your standard chartered online banking portal. Look for a Services, Requests, or Credit Card Services section. You might find an option to submit a service request or send a secure message indicating your intention to cancel the card. This often prompts the bank to contact you to complete the process. Ensure you have paid off any outstanding balances before initiating cancellation. Finally, be prepared that the bank will likely require a phone call for final verification and to confirm your decision. They may also try to offer alternatives. Have your account details ready for this call. Confirm the cancellation in writing if possible. And there you have it. Canceling your standard chartered credit card often starts online. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.